So one of my favorite features about the Model 3 is the built-in dash cam called Tesla Cam and Sentry Mode. The built-in dash cam is exactly what it sounds like. You can tap into all the cameras on the car and record footage around you while you're driving. Super nice if you get in an accident so you know exactly who is at fault. Sentry Mode is a little bit different and something that is unique to Tesla. It actually uses all the cameras to sense motion around it, and when it does, if you are charging or parked or something like that, it will turn on all these cameras and start recording around the car. So if somebody vandalizes your car, you can actually have them on camera doing it. Unfortunately, you can't store this footage directly in the car. You have to have an external drive of some sort, and I'm going to show you my setup today. So I picked up this 250 gigabyte portable solid-state drive from SanDisk. And I got this for a few reasons. It is a solid state drive, so that means it will run a lot faster and will also be able to handle a lot of reading and writing, which is something your car is going to be doing all the time if you use this as a dash cam. It's also got USB-C, so it'll plug in easily to my phone. Once you've chosen the drive you want to use, you need to go on your computer and format it as MS-DOS or FAT32. This isn't anything too crazy, it just ensures that the drive can communicate with the car properly. If you're on a Mac, you can use the built-in disk utility, but you'll have to use a third-party software if you're on a PC. You can name the drive whatever you like. I just decided to name mine Tesla Cam. If everything is done properly, when you open up the drive, it should be completely empty, but now you need to create a folder called Tesla Cam inside that drive. And this is where your car will save all of your clips from driving and from Sentry Mode. Back inside the car now, you want to open up these hatches and plug in your drive into one of the USB ports in this center console. If this is done properly, you should see the little dash cam icon show up on your touchscreen with the red dot, meaning it is ready to record. The dash cam is always enabled, but to save clips, all you need to do is press this little icon while you're driving. You'll see it is downloading, and then a blue check mark will show up, showing that the clip has been saved. Sentry Mode is not enabled by default because it does use some battery while your car is stationary, so you can either enable that by pressing the Sentry icon in the top right, or by going into the safety and security section of your car's menu. Here you've got options to turn it off or on, also options to exclude your home, exclude your work, or exclude your favorite locations. You've also got the option to enable Sentry Mode remotely from the car's app. This is really nice if you park in somewhere sketchy and you've got it off by default. So if you leave your car stationary for a while and hop back in, you'll probably see that Sentry Mode events have been reported and how many events have occurred. And this doesn't mean that somebody has vandalized your car or broken into your car. It just means that somebody has walked by and set off those motion sensors to start the car's recording. And like I said earlier, this solid state drive has a USB-C cord, so I can easily plug this into my phone and check those clips. I use an app called Tesla Cam /Sentry Reviewer, and it's pretty simple. You just plug in your solid state drive or whatever drive you're using, and you can pull up and look at all the events that have happened and also watch them in this nice little viewer that shows you all the different directions your car is recording. So you have the front view, both side views, and the rear view all in one screen. And these aren't crazy high quality videos, but definitely gets the job done if anything does happen to your car, you happen to be in an accident. And very cool that Tesla lets you tap into these cameras for more than just autopilot. So that wraps it up for me. Just wanted to give you a quick little insight into how I set up my Sentry Mode and Tesla Cam. If you have any questions about my setup or questions about Tesla Cam or Sentry Mode in general, definitely let me know down in the comments, and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Yep, that's me.